Welcome back to NeuroNest AI Adventures. We've explored the fascinating world of AI, its ethics, and its creative potential. Today, we're taking a peek into the future to see the big impact AI could have on our lives.
Imagine a world where AI helps us solve some of humanity's biggest challenges. AI could be used to revolutionize healthcare. Imagine AI-powered tools that can diagnose diseases earlier, develop personalized treatments, and even assist in surgery. Combat climate change. AI can analyze vast amounts of data to predict weather patterns and optimize energy use. It could also help us develop cleaner technologies. Transform transportation. Self-driving cars and smarter traffic systems powered by AI could make our roads safer and more efficient.
While these may sound like futuristic dreams, AI is already making a difference in many of these fields. The important thing is to remember that AI is a tool. The future we create with AI depends on the choices we make today.
The future of AI is not about machines taking over. It's about humans and AI working together to create a better world. We need to ensure AI development is inclusive, ethical, and benefits everyone.
What kind of future do you see for AI? In the final video of this series, we'll wrap things up and answer some of your burning questions about AI. Hit that subscribe button and tell me in the comments how you think AI will impact your life. See you next time!